Solid waste pollution can have various detrimental effects on human society. Health risks arise from exposure to hazardous substances into waste, leading to respiratory problems, skin diseases, and other illnesses. Solid waste pollution has significant and often harmful effects on animals. Wildlife can be directly impacted through indigestion of plastic and other biodegradable materials, leading to digestive issues, starvation, and death. Entanglement in discarded items like fishing nets and plastic waste poses a threat to marine and terrestrial species. Contaminated habitats and water sources affect the reproduction, success, and overall health of animals. Solid waste pollution has extensive and harmful effects on the environment. Here are the examples. Soil contamination. Dumping of solid waste can introduce hazardous substances into the soil. Water pollution. Improper disposal of waste can contaminate water bodies, affecting aquatic ecosystems and threatening the health of aquatic organisms. 3. Air pollution. Open burning of waste materials releases harmful pollutants into the air. 4. Habitat destruction. Improperly managed waste can lead to the destruction of natural habitats, disrupting ecosystems and causing the loss of biodiversity. 5. Climate change impact. Landfills produce methane, a potent greenhouse gas contributing to the climate change. And lastly, 7. Resource depletion. The production and disposal of materials in solid waste contribute to resource depletion, as raw materials are used inefficiently and valuable resources are lost in the waste stream. Overall, solid waste pollution has far-reaching consequences on the environment, affecting ecosystems, biodiversity, air and water quality, and contributing to broader environmental challenges. As a future engineer, I think I can contribute by developing and implementing innovative waste management technologies such as advanced recycling processes, waste-to-energy systems, and efficient composting methods. These technologies can help minimize the volume of solid waste and harness energy from waste materials. Or designing sustainable products. I will work towards designing products with a focus on recyclability, reusability, and reduced environmental impact. By incorporating sustainable materials and promoting eco-friendly product design, I can contribute to minimize the generation of non-biodegradable waste. That's all. Thank you.